Hey there guys, I thought I would just quickly work my way through our little creative kit that is fabric flowers. I was kind of like thinking, oh, okay, so this is how, this is how things come to you guys, and I wanted to show you kind of what I was going to do with my little creative kit. I love kits because it really does encourage you to sit down and work right away, right? So if you have everything kind of ready to go in your kit, I am grabbing a few things. I know I want to do some decoupage, so I grabbed my Mod Podge, and I'm going to grab a little paintbrush. I've got out a glue stick and some scissors, just basic craft supplies that you might want to use as you are doing this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is now this is what is in this box, so I'm going to just kind of put these things out. Now this is a sample. This was my inspiration piece. I did not do this, but I thought it was super inspiring and I loved it. I loved all the white, the creamy kind of textures in it. So let's just see what we have to work with here. This would be the way that you would take things out of your kit and kind of peruse them. And of course your kit is just like it's a starter model, y'all, so you can always add whatever you want to it and make it totally your own. You can sew these pieces, you can you can put them together. Now I'm putting mine together with just some glue. This is a Turbo Tacky glue that I'm very, very fond of right now. Also, when you have a kit like this, it encourages you to put together, your own kits, to put together your own things to work with. So we're just going to kind of do the basic kit, and then as I work on this, I might have other ideas for things that I want to do. So let's go at it. I think what I want to start with is this. Now I did put, you guys, I did put some Art Trading Coin 2.5-inch circles into those kits. So I think I'm going to grab one from over here. I think I put 4, I can't remember, but this kind of gives you a good base to work upon. I think I'm gonna take, do something. I really love this damask, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start from there, and you can, of course, make these as fancy or as plain as you want. You can do whatever you want to with them. I don't like to adhere the whole piece of fabric to my base because I want it to be a little bit floppy and a little bit, I want it to have some movement to it. I think the next thing that I want to use is, I think we'll get this down. Of course, this is not round, but it's okay because I'm just going to let it kind of lap over this place right here. Now, this is all just experimental, really. I didn't know I was going to do this until about 5 minutes ago. And it's like, oh, okay, well then maybe I should do that. I think what I want to do here is maybe this. And maybe put some burlap here. I need to, this is one reason I love, just working with glue. I could see that piece was not going to be happy there. So there we go. And then I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to take this and put here. There we go. So we made a sweet little fabric flower. You will have different things to work with in your kit. You won't have these exact things, okay? But if you see something here that you like and you go, oh, I've got one of those, then, you know, by all means, like I said, it's just, you know, it's like, you remember when you used to buy your kids Legos and then they would have expansion packs? It's kind of what it is. Kind of what it is. There we go. Man, oh man, I like that. That turned out really well. Let's do another one. You know, you can't even like change the sizes of these. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. I think I'm going to work this way. And it's fun because it's fast. You know, you can do this over coffee in the morning. Get your creative juices flowing. I'm gonna need some more of that. I really, really like the Turbo Tacky glue. I think I'm gonna pull that kind of to the side a little bit because I do want this really pretty old embroidery to show right there. Yeah, I like that. I'm feeling like this is a little too big to offset, like I could do the other one. You guys knew that I was going to see my sister. Well, I was going to house sit for my sister. She was going to go to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. And, of course, everything's not gonna, that got the kibosh really quick, so, oh well. Okay, that one looks cool. Let's do that. And I'll just do one more. I don't know how many, you know, you're gonna get out of each kit, because I don't know how big you're gonna want to make them. There we go. And I have, you know, you might have buttons in your kit, you might have rhinestones. Okay, so we've made these two. Pretty fun. Let me grab another Queen Link, and we'll make one more while we're sitting here. You can see how nicely the cream colors, you know, the very neutrals work out for something like this. It does work out really nicely. This one is going to be for my uncle who passed away 41 years ago when he was 30. He had anorexia. It's my biggest art influence. When I lost him, I was 21. He was 30. He lived in New York for a while, so I thought that that would be kind of nice. And then I'm just going to offset, well, I'm not going to offset that. You know, that little Statue of Liberty thing will be, yeah, I'll offset it just a wee, like that. My uncle always wore a scarab on his jacket, and I'm going to put the scarab here. The scarab is rather big, but this is, you know, this is a personal piece. I'll just put it in a book. I'll put it like that. It's a personal memento. Always thought this was really, really pretty. And I've had them for quite some time, so how perfect. There we go. Just a little memento flower fabric collage for my sweet uncle. Alright, so let's see what we got made. We made some pretty flowers and we made a memory piece. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed. Look, we made an owl. Hope you guys enjoyed this little look at one of the creative kits that I am putting in the new journals for this week. Thanks for hanging out. Y'all be good. See you soon. Bye.